What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. A rare find. Nothing was spared in the design and construction of this house, which is located in the upscale South Sea Park Phase 2 gated community in Whitehouse, Westmoreland. This 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom house has 24-hour security and a beachfront clubhouse accessible to all its residents. Upon entry, this 2-story dwelling one is struck with its grace and elegance. A beautiful spiral staircase leads to the second floor and an open concept living and formal dining room with high ceiling make for a very grand entrance. Also on the first floor is a spacious kitchen with stainless steel appliances, breakfast nook, 1 bedroom ensuite, family room, laundry room and back patio. The second floor has the main bedroom ensuite with its own balcony, 2 other bedrooms and a shared bathroom, and an additional balcony which gives a commanding view of the sea and the surrounding areas. The land area is 8,532 square feet and modern features include solar water heater, jacuzzi, ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully walled, cable, central location, easy access, family oriented, private setting, view of the ocean, recreation nearby, quiet area, road paved and level lot. The asking price for this property is US $820,000 or Jamaican $128.7 million. Now let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.